Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. So, for what purpose you have come here?
For learning English.
Okay. So, what is your education?
My education, I'm 12th pass. I have
You?
complete major.
12 pass. I'm learning BSc.
What?
BSc. I'm doing BSc.
BSc. Okay. What is your name?
My name is Shreya.
Manjusha Taide.
I'm Sakshi.
So, have you come alone or by making group?
Making group.
Okay. So, you are friends.
Yes.
Okay. So, in which classes? In which school you were studying? 12th.
Chhatrapati Shivaji High School.
Okay. You?
I'm also that school.
You?
Guru Kripa.
Guru Kripa. Okay. So basically, this is our brochure. Let me give you. This one is brochure, and there are two courses, but recently a new vacation course is introduced. You can see its fees is 5,500, and you can see the other details there.
How
And-
different this course.
So you can see there, no? Okay, there are two courses in this. So first one is professional course, and second one is essential course, which is modified and become this vacation course. Okay, so in essential course, which is specially designed for students. Here you will see regular verbs, tenses, parts of speech, modals, conjunction, okay, and many more things such as conversation. In conversation, there are so many topics such as self-presentation, group presentation, task asking, debates, okay, interview questions. These type of conversations are happen in 2 to 3 days in a week. So, and this one is professional course, but I think you should do this essential course because you have recently passed 12th, no?
Yes.
So that's why you can join this, and its duration is only three months, and its fees is only 8,500, and there will be a discount of 500 rupees if you pay 8,000 rupees in all. Okay, so anything else you want to ask?
What is duration of class?
I have told now, class or course?
Course.
I have told you that the course duration is 3 months.
What is method of your studying?
So actually the method of my teaching is given on the website, which is skpower.com. There you can visit and see all the teaching methods and our brilliant students who had learned how to speak English fluently. That's
There are any online classes available?
No, there is only offline classes here, and I have published my own books, and I am the author of that books. So these are the books. This one is for grammar topics, and this is for home course. And there is one book also, but I don't have right now that, and it contains vocabularies, and I provide some more vocabularies and final conversation PDFs like that on groups which I have made on social media platforms such as Telegram, WhatsApp, etc.
And which course suitable for us?
I have told you now that essential course on your right side, essential courses will be suitable for you.
How many students in one batch?
So there are 15 to 20 students. So can I take your interview?
Yes,
If you don't
okay.
mind.
Yes.
Okay, I will give you some sentences and you have to identify the tense used in it. Okay, so first one is I am very beautiful.
In Hindi?
No, you have to identify the tense used in the sentence.
Simple.
What?
Present simple.
Present simple. No. I am very beautiful or handsome.
Present perfect.
No, it's present continuous. Let me give some more example. We should respect our parents. Sorry, it will be models. Wait. You will learn English.
Future.
Which future? Simple, perfect, perfect continuous. Which one? Perfect. No.
Simple future.
Yeah, future simple. Okay. Another one. I want to learn English course by you.
I want to learn English by you.
Yeah. What? Yeah, it is right. So now I will give you some sentences in Hindi. You have to convert it in English. Okay. So मुझे वह कार्य कैसे भी करना ही होगा.
I have to do that work however.
Anyhow it will come. Okay. So next one is for you. So next one is मैं आज आना तो चाहता था लेकिन मेरी बस छूट गई.
Sorry, I don't know.
Okay, you can speak. No. Present continuous will not use. I have said मैं क्लास आना तो चाहता था लेकिन मेरी बस छूट गई. Can you speak?
I want to come at class but my bus is missing.
So repeat again.
I want to come at class but my
So no, there is some mistakes of your. Actually, it will not come at. It will come to the classes. And you have said I miss my bus. So you can say that I was late to pick bus or ride the bus. Okay. So I think that you are able to, and you have to do that essential course. So can I tell you fees about that? About fees. So the essential course is for 8,500 that I have already told you. But if you pay at once all 8,000 rupees, so you will get a discount of 500 rupees.
Okay.
And course duration I have told you. So anything else you want to ask?
How many months I complete this course?
I have said 3 months.
3 months.
Yeah.
Complete 3 months.
Yeah. I will, and if you complete your course, then a certificate will be provided by our institute, and which is all over India. That is about spoken English classes. Yeah. Okay. So anything else?
So we can pay some extra charge?
No, there will be no extra charges, but I think that you will complete in 3 months.
Okay.
There are only few students who are not focused on their career goal. That's why they do time pass in batches. So they have to extend their duration of course. Yeah. And I also give demo classes. If you want to get some demo classes, you can now also join, and you can also come for evening. And there is also morning batch, so there you can come and join the classes.
Okay.
And what time will be suitable for you, evening or morning?
Evening.
Evening. So will you take some demo classes or not?
Yes. Sure.
Okay. So when the demo class you will take?
Evening.
Evening. You? Okay. So anything else you want to ask?
No. We have clear.
Okay then. You can come tomorrow in evening, and the timing will be 5:30 to 7:30. Okay. And you have to on time. Then only you can leave at time. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Hello everyone.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So, what's your name?
My name is Bhavesh Jadhav.
And what?
My name is Patel Sahil.
From all?
Okay. So actually I want to start some spoken English classes. That's why I have here to inquire.
Ocha, you are here to inquiry.
Yes.
Okay. And you?
I want to improve my
English and my grammar is also weak, so that I
So, how you reach here? And you? You all
Also,
are?
yes.
You all are searching on website and
Yes, yes.
found this class. And so, you are inquiry for this class now? Okay. Then, have you visited any other classes before this class?
yes, I was visited other classes, but I don't get I don't get such a satisfaction for that classes. So I want to try.
So you are nervous too while speaking in English.
Yes.
Okay. So tell me, what are your main reason to wanting to improve spoken English?
I want to.
For work, for travel, for personal growth, I'm asking.
I want to. I'm doing now CA, so I want to improve my English because of I am doing CA in English language.
Okay, and you?
Also, I am because
Okay, and you both?
I want to do spoken English for my studies.
Okay, and you?
Ma'am, I want
Why
to
you
become
are-
a software engineer. So I have seen that many books come in English language. So I want to learn English.
Okay, yes. So here is the brochure of our course. So there are two types of course. First one is a professional and second one is a essential. So I would recommend you to join the essential class. Those students who completed the 10th, 11th, 12th, this course is best for those students. So in these students you will learn how to communicate with others. There are conversation classes going on in 2-3 days in a week. For 2-3 days in a week, and there are tenses, conjunction, preposition you will learn in one book. And there are also one book, there is a vocabulary book, there are a lot of words in one book, and I also have an advanced words. You completed the basic words, then you will switch in advanced words. So these are the courses.
Ma'am, where will we get the advanced words?
Actually, I made some groups in WhatsApp and Telegram, so you will find.
Okay.
Yes.
What is the duration of the course?
It's 2 to 3 months. Okay.
and how many students in one class?
One batch is
One batch.
15 to 20 students in one batch.
So, how is the environment of your spoken English class?
It's how is the environment of spoken English class? It's very silent and calmly in a class. Supportive nature.
And how much fees?
Actually, this essential course fees is 8,500. But if you pay it once, so you will get a 500 discount.
And ma'am, what is the fees and duration of that professional and fluent English course?
Okay, for this course,
Yeah.
Professional, it's for 5,000 to 5,000.
Okay. And for which people that course is suitable?
This is used for those who know grammar and some confident to speak, those who join this
Okay.
professional.
And duration?
Duration is, this is also 2-3 months.
Okay.
Yes.
Uh, if I unable to complete in 3 months, so yeah, I should extra charges to.
No, you don't pay extra charge.
How many batches are there?
There are 2 batches in one in morning and evening. So morning time is 8:30 and evening timing is 5:30.
And which batch will be suitable for me?
So what time will you suitable for come?
I am free all the day, so.
So in evening class you come.
Okay.
In evening.
And in which batch the students are more in which batch the students are more comfortable in speaking English and they are fluent?
Actually, I accepted cash and online payment. I don't accept check.
Your spoken English classes have a EMI. Sorry, insurance.
Yes.
So what are the facilities?
You will pay first 4,000 and then you will pay 4,000, like 4,000. So just I will take your interview.
Yeah,
So let me level up. I will live.
Yeah.
So just tell me about your daily routine in few words, in short. Start with you.